Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you some simple easy crafts ideas and designs using the paper. Take a paper and fold it in the same manner. Now draw the lines on it and cut it like this. Open it and your paper designs are ready. You can make some simple designs like this in the same manner. Now take another paper, fold it from the between and the sides like this. Now draw the lines of your choice as shown in the video. Now cut it and then open it and your snowflakes are ready. Next, take another paper and fold it in the same manner like this. Now draw the different shapes and lines like this. Here we have write it inverted 2 and 2 on it and then cut it from the between like this. Open it and your heart shaped paper is ready. Next, take a paper and fold it from the sides like this. Again, we will take and draw the lines like this on it. Draw semicircles like this, cut it and your heart shaped papers are ready. Next, take a paper and fold it from the sides in the same manner as shown in the video. Now draw the lines on it like this. Draw the curvy lines, now cut it and your heart-shaped snowflakes are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red color paper and fold it from the between. Now from the sides. Now draw the lines on it like this. Write a heart on it like this and then cut it. Next, take a paper and cut it like this from the sides. Fold it properly. Now take a scissor and a marker. Draw the lines on it first and then cut it out as shown in the video. Cut it very carefully and thin lines. Now open it and your paper design is ready. Thanks for watching our video.